Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are having a wonderful day. So today we are celebrating something fruity, colorful and a little unexpected, like National Strawberry Rhubarb Wine Day. Now before we begin, here's a fun question. Have you ever tasted a combination that made you think, wait, these two actually work together? So if I say work together, it means that maybe chocolate and chili. Maybe pineapple on pizza. Yes, and that debate continues. Or perhaps sweet and salty popcorn. Well, today we are talking about another surprising duo like strawberries and rhubarb. One is naturally sweet and the other is delightfully tart. Together they create a wine that's refreshing, vibrant, and full of summer character. So let's explore the story behind this unique celebration. Like meet the stars of the day. Let's start with strawberries. Well, who doesn't love strawberries? They are bright red, juicy, naturally sweet, and somehow make every dessert look more elegant. So now think about it. Strawberry ice cream, strawberry cheesecake, strawberry jam, chocolate covered strawberries. They are practically celebrities in the fruit world. Okay, so now let's talk about rhubarb. Poor rhubarb. It doesn't always receive the same attention. Oh, many people have never even tasted it. Technically, rhubarb is a vegetable, but in cooking it's treated like a fruit because of its wonderfully tart flavor on its own. Very sour, very sour, but when paired with strawberries, magic happens. You know why? Because it is one of those partnerships where each ingredient brings out the best in the other. So why people love strawberry rhubarb wine? Well, this wine is different from traditional grape wine. You know why? Because it has a playful personality and it balances sweetness with refreshing acidity. Every sip feels light, fruity and perfect for warm weather. So imagine sitting in a garden, a gentle breeze, flowers blooming, friends laughing, beautiful sunset. So that's the feeling many people associate with fruit wines. They are relaxed. They are cheerful. They are made for conversation. And you know what? It's about more than one drink. One thing I appreciate about National Strawberry Rhubarb Wine Day is that it isn't only about enjoying wine, it's also about celebrating creativity. Think about the winemakers. Someone looked at strawberries, someone looked at rhubarb, and instead of thinking these don't belong together, they asked, what if they do? And that's creativity. Okay, because creativity is connected to innovation. Innovation often begins with curiosity. So whether you are cooking, writing, painting, designing or making wine, great ideas usually begin with one simple question. What happens if I try something different? So there's a story behind the celebration. National Strawberry Rhubarb Wine Day began after Maple River Winery in North Dakota won a double gold award in 2013 for the strawberry rhubarb wine. And you know what? That's quite an achievement. So instead of simply celebrating privately, they decided to create a day that honored this unique flavor combination. And honestly, I think that's wonderful. You know why? Because sometimes the smallest ideas become lasting traditions. Then many people describe strawberry rhubarb wine as summer in a glass. And I love that phrase. You know why? Because think about summer memories, picnics, family gatherings, garden parties, fresh fruit, long evenings. everything feels a little slower. You know why? Because a little lighter. It is a little happier. So certain flavors have the power to bring those memories back instantly. And food and drinks don't just feed us, they remind us of moments. You know why? Because sweet meets tart. And here's something interesting. Life is a lot like strawberry rhubarb wine. It's not only sweet. It isn't only sour, it's both. So we all experience joyful moments, right? And what about difficult ones? Okay, so when I say difficult ones, it's success, challenges, laughter, disappointment. When those experiences come together, they create something richer. So maybe that's why this flavor combination feels so balanced, that it reminds us that contrast often creates beauty. Okay, so if I talk about the hosting your own celebration, and I would like to say that if you wanted to celebrate today, what could you do? Well, invite a few friends over, okay, and try different fruit wines and compare flavors, share stories. You don't need a huge party. Sometimes the best gatherings happen around a small table with good conversation, because at the end of the day, people remember conversations far more than decorations. Okay, so if I talk about the decoration, and I really want to talk about the food pairing. So let's talk food, and this is my favorite part. Strawberry rhubarb wine pairs beautifully with soft cheeses like brie or goat cheese, fresh salads, grilled salmon, fruit desserts, strawberry tarts, and even light summer snacks. The tartness cuts through rich flavors beautifully, and food pairings is almost like matchmaking. You are simply introducing two flavors that complement each other. Another reason I like this celebration is because it shines a spotlight on small wineries. Behind every bottle is someone's passion. Someone planted fruit and someone waited patiently. Someone experimented with recipes and someone believed in an idea. Supporting local businesses keep those stories alive. So whether it's a bakery, a coffee shop, a bookstore, or a family owned wine yard, every purchase supports someone's dream. So here's an idea: if you are celebrating with friends, try a blind tasting. Cover the labels, pour small samples, ask everyone to guess which one is sweeter, which one is fruitier, which one has more tartness. And you will be surprised how different everyone's taste buds are, because there are no right or wrong answers. Taste is wonderfully personal. So today's celebration also reminds me that creativity isn't limited to artists, because chefs are creative, gardeners are creative, winemakers are creative, bakers are creative, travelers are creative. Even arranging flowers requires creativity, and sometimes we underestimate how many forms creativity can take. Another lovely thing about strawberry rhubarb wine is its connection to seasonal produce, because nature has its own calendar. Different fruits arrive at different times. So celebrating seasonal ingredients reminds us to slow down and appreciate what each season offers. Summer gives us berries, autumn gives us apples, winter brings citrus, spring welcomes fresh greens, and every season tells a different story. If there is one lesson hidden inside today's celebration, it is this: good things become even better when shared, whether it's a meal, a conversation, a recipe, or a simple evening together. The greatest ingredient isn't strawberries or rhubarb, it's connection. National Strawberry Rhubarb Wine Day isn't simply about one bottle of wine, it's about celebrating creativity, supporting local artisans, trying something new, appreciating unexpected combinations, and making time more meaningful conversations. Sometimes the best experiences come from giving unfamiliar things a chance. After all, who would have guessed that that sweet strawberries and tart rhubarb would become such a memorable pairing? So life has a funny way of surprising us, and perhaps that's something worth celebrating too. So thank you so much for watching. I would love to hear from you in the comments. And have you ever tried strawberry rhubarb wine, or what's the most unusual flavor combination you have ever enjoyed? If you enjoyed today's conversation, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Until next time, stay curious, celebrate life's little moments, and never stop discovering something new. Cheers to creativity, good company, and the sweet surprises that life has to offer.